from the start. You're the one who knows my heart. You are there for me, Jesus. You are showing me the way, love and kindness every day. You are helping me, Jesus. So I'll follow you, here and there and everywhere. I know it's true, you're always by my side. I'm ready for the time of my life. I'm set on doing what you do. I'm gonna share your love with the world. Ready, set, move.
You've been with me from the start. You're the one who knows my heart. You are there for me, Jesus. You are showing me the way, love and kindness every day. You are helping me, Jesus.
So I'll follow you, here and there and everywhere. I know it's true, you're always by my side. I'm ready for the time of my life. I'm set on doing what you do. I'm gonna share your love with the world. Ready, set, move. Hey! Get set, ready, set, move. Get set, ready, set, here we go. I'll do what Jesus told me, believe what Jesus showed me, love 'cause Jesus loved me. We trust that He is with us, no, He will never leave us. Let's shout what He did for us. Bring it down.
I'm ready for the time of my life. I'm set on doing what you do. I'm gonna share your love with the world.
Ready, set, move. I'm ready for the time of my life. I'm set on doing what you do. I'm gonna share your love with the world.
Ready, set, move.
I'll do what Jesus told me.
I'll do
Jesus
whatever you want me to do.
ready, set, move. We trust that He is with us. No, He will never leave us. Let's shout what He did for us. Ready, set, move.
Oh man, this is amazing.
Tell me about it, recreating the Jules Verne classic Around the World in 8 seconds.
This seems crazy.
It is! Okay, here we go. You ready?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. That was really fast. I didn't see anything.
Wait a second. I think we got the title wrong.
Huh?
It's not Around the World in 8 seconds.
It's Around the World in 80 seconds. Okay, here we go.
This still seems a little fast. Hello everyone, I'm Brandon.
I'm John.
And welcome to the So-and-So Show. We're gonna have to get through the show quick because my friend John here has a flight to catch.
Yes, I
He's
do.
going on a huge trip. Are you
yeah.
excited? What do
Kinda.
you mean kinda? You've been looking forward to this trip for weeks.
Well,
You're packed, right?
not yet.
Not yet. John, you have to leave for the airport right after the show. Come on, I'll help you pack.
No.
Come on. What are you doing? Come on, we gotta go pack.
No!
No.
What's going on? What is wrong with you? Come on. What's wrong? John, is your hand glued to the table? Why? You know what? It doesn't matter. Come on, we gotta get you out of here.
I've already tried.
Do or do not. There is no try.
No, no, no. No, no, no.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Try to put some pressure. Here we go.
Pull in the tablecloth.
Yep,
Here we go.
here we go.
1, 2, 3.
No, no, wait.
I guess we do not.
And my flight leaves in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have a second hand on my digital watch.
I'm so sorry, buddy.
Yeah, I just don't know what to do. I mean, it was gonna be an amazing trip. It was gonna have everything, you know, museums, the zoo, a train ride, surfing, a Broadway musical.
Where is this?
And so much more.
What if we didn't have to go? Or what if I brought your trip to you? Welcome to the greatest road trip ever. Ladies and gentlemen, straight from somewhere near the street of Broadway, or at least within 852.7 miles of it, the newest production of Felines. Remembrance, turn your face to Earth's satellite. Let your remembrance lead you. Open the door and go in. If you find it, a new sun will shine again. Felines. Oh. Wait.
Whoa!
Everybody's going surfing! Surfing so and so!
Whoa! Wipe out!
Welcome to the original golden age of travel. Horse and buggy? No, I'm talking about trains.
Wow! I want to see a panda. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, yeah.
Well, what'd you think?
Almost as good as the real thing.
All right, so what do you want to do now?
Well, something I could never do on my road trip. It's Bible story time with Kellen.
Kellen, how's it going?
Good, good. How's it going with you?
Just, hanging around, not really going anywhere. Feeling like there's no way out, but like I'm just gonna be here forever.
Well, I don't know if this will help, but I do have a story about someone who didn't seem like they had a way out.
Oh,
That sounds great.
yeah.
Take it away, Kellen.
Please.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Our story today comes from the book of Acts. Jesus had been raised from the dead, and his followers had received the Holy Spirit. But then some crazy, not so good things happened to them. Things that could have made it hard for them to keep their faith. King Herod was having Jesus' followers thrown in prison. And that's where we pick up today's story with Laundry Theater! The Apostle Peter was one of Jesus' most devoted followers and a leader of the early church. Peter was one of the people who had been thrown into prison, and he was guarded by several guards. In the middle of the night, while Peter was sleeping, suddenly an angel appeared. The angel told Peter to quickly get up, and the chains fell off Peter's wrists. The angel had Peter put on his coat and his sandals, and he snuck past the guards out of the prison. Peter thought he was seeing a vision. In the moment, he may not have had the faith that this was actually happening. He was stuck, and he couldn't believe that there was a way out. But whether or not he believed it, Peter had gotten out of prison, and he was walking along the street when the angel left him. That's when Peter finally realized what was happening, and he ran to a house belonging to someone named Mary. Now, there were a lot of Jesus followers meeting there. So Peter ran up and he knocked on the door. Inside, people were praying, and someone named Rhoda went to answer the door. Rhoda went and told the others that Peter was at the door. But they didn't believe her, though. They thought she was out of her mind. But Peter kept knocking until they finally opened the door, and they were amazed. Peter told them to keep quiet. Then he told them the amazing story of how God broke him out of prison. After that, Peter went on to a different location to continue to do the good work of Jesus.
Wow, incredible story.
Definitely. I mean, God broke him out of prison.
Can God break you out of almost anything? Like your hand being glued to your desk?
Well, sometimes God uses other people to help when you're stuck. In fact, one thing you can try is if you take some...
No worries. All good here. Thanks, Kellen.
Yeah, sure thing.
See you next time.
Later.
I think he was about to give me an idea how to get out of this situation.
Yeah, but I thought it might ruin some things.
Ruin what? The rest of my day?
No, this. Reveal the question. What does it feel like to be stuck?
Wow, that's convenient.
Tell me about it.
Well, for me, in a very real way, feeling stuck is hard. It's frustrating, and I don't know what to do.
Yeah, but there are other ways that people feel stuck. Maybe you feel stuck because you can't quite find a group of friends that you fit in with.
Or maybe you're really having problems getting along with someone and you don't know how things will get better.
Yeah, we can feel stuck in different ways. So find someone you trust and tell them when you're feeling stuck.
Yeah, and remember, when you put your faith in Jesus, it can help remind you that even when you feel stuck, God is with you.
That's true. Well, that's all the time we have, but we'll see you next time on the So and So Show.
Wait. Is that a...
We're gonna get you out of here, buddy.
Okay, I trust you. It worked!
Hey, you wanna play ping pong?
Absolutely.
Oh, I missed.
Oh! Ready?
Yeah.
3 left. Oh! Game point.
Game over.
What do we do now? Hey, let's go rowing.
I love it.
Yeah. Where's the boat?